There is so much wrong with the trading education industry, and I'm going to get into it and tell you why, who's scamming, what to look out for, and what me and my team are doing to change the game, not just for what we offer, but trying to raise the bar across the industry and improve the results for everyone and weed out all these scammers. So, welcome in, fam. Much love, Trav here. Okay, I personally paid for a lot of trading courses, paid groups, coaching, and I'm gonna go through a number of them here soon. But I just want you to understand that I have invested $10,000 in trading education, and I will probably continue to do so, even as a professional trader, even as a profitable trader, because I believe in ongoing education. But through doing that, I've discovered that um, a lot of the stuff I do not. There's serious problems, so we're gonna get into it. Now, the first one is, and by the way, welcome and much love, Trav here. If you guys don't know me, my name's Travis. I do a bunch of different things. I've done a lot of things with my life. I was a professional card player. I've written books. I was a professional farmer, organic farmer. I've done TEDx, YouTube, businessman, and professional trader. And I'm develop top-down fundamental, highly effective trading systems that are turned into simple computer systems that are computer back tested and shown and proven to be profitable. And that's where really I differ from the rest of the trading industry, but education industry, let's come back to that. So the first question is, if someone has a profitable system, why would they sell it? So my thought at the first was, I'm never going to pay for a course, because if you're paying for a course, your trading system might probably doesn't work and it's a scam. Well, first, I don't believe that anymore, because just because someone has a profitable system does not mean they have money to trade that system. And no matter how much money you have to trade your system, it's nice to be able to constantly top up your account instead of withdrawing from your account. So even if you have $1 million, it's still nice to have side income, secondary income, even if you have a profitable trading system, because then you can grow more and more. It takes money to make money. So someone may be a genius at developing trading systems, but they live in Pakistan and they have no money. And what are they going to do? Go sell that trading system. So I don't think someone's automatically a scam for selling a trading system. And I think there probably are a lot of great trading systems on the market. And I know there are because we have one. But first I want to dispel that. It's easier to sell sell to people than it is to create a fund and market and collect people's money as an investor. And then also, a lot of these trading systems, some of the best trading systems are profitable year after year, most years, but only make money maybe 50% of the months, and just the winning months are way bigger than the losing months. And if you have kids or you just want some kind of stability, it's nice to have secondary means of income. And if you're focused on trading, why not sell your trading system? So that's the first thing, is I just want to address that. And one of the problems is I don't know if it's a problem. I think people are too skeptical, actually. There's good education out there. But let me tell you what's missing, though, is most trading education, trading system provide neither a track record nor a computer back-tested model of the system they teach you. So there's no way to actually know for sure that they're profitable. Now I'm going to name people, okay? I've seen, some of you guys know me from Lucky Chart Ape, okay? I have no idea. I think that he's profitable. I believe he's profitable. But I have no proof. I don't know what parts of his system are profitable. Actually, I do now, because I've computer backtested it myself. I don't know what parts are unprofitable. But ultimately, it's like, I'm following this guy. I don't even know if he makes money. I think that he does. I'm not saying he's a scammer, but he's not. He doesn't show his track record, and also doesn't have computer backtesting. I took Dapo Willis's course, cost $100. Well, looks pretty great, but I have no idea if he makes money. I have no idea if his system makes money, because he has no track record, and there's no backtesting. There's no computer backtesting. I paid for Paladin's course. I'm pretty sure he makes money, but his system has no computer back testing. And I don't know for sure, right? I paid $5,000 to get one-on-one coaching from a Mike Sir. I have no idea if he's profitable. No back testing. That was sort of different because he worked with me. He didn't give me a system, but I spent the most money, and it's like some of the things he said, I'm like, I'm not saying he's a scammer. I don't know that he's I don't know that he's profitable, right? I could go on and on. I've taken a lot more courses. Who else did I pay with? Dan McEnvoy. Who else? A lot. I've taken a lot. Now that all kind of changed when I saw NERP Capital. Some of you guys might be familiar with NERP Capital. It's an algo trading system that you don't even trade. You just kind of adjust your position sizing and it trades for you. I think they were selling it for like $5,000. And what they did do though is they provided computer models, back testing, and they provided track record. And I ultimately decided not to invest with them because I didn't like their risk model. I didn't like that they used a martingale strategy, which is where you average down. It seemed like you could eventually blow up. But I was able to see that in the back testing that it could blow up. And I really appreciated that they gave back testing, a computer model, right? So this is what we offer, and this is what I think needs to change in the trading education space, and what I want to see and what I think you should demand. You need to demand. No one I've ever paid has ever showed me their track record or a computer model with back testing, other than NERP, which I ultimately didn't go with it anyways. Not one. In terms of people selling, right? I do have that with the algo system that I'm trading for myself, and with the the quant came to me and he shows me, this is the equity curve, here's my methodology, here's 10 years of back testing, here's a year of forward testing, and for my own Market Timing Pro system, we developed it and got the strategy tester, and so we could tweak it and like, yo, okay, now we can see the results, see that this works. So yeah, I mean, there's just so many more people I could think about, like some of y'all know Crypto Nuevo. Looks great. Is he profitable? Don't know. Is the system profitable? No idea. There's no data on it, right? So what I want to see is you need to demand equity, the equity curve of the trader and or the computer backtested results. I personally think the computer backtested results are more important when someone's selling you a trading system, because I can tell you, yo, I'm going to show you a computer system. Here's how it works. It's very simple to follow. Here are the results. But my equity curve is way different because I don't trade the system, right? Or I trade off the system, right? But ultimately, you need a system and not just following someone's discretionary trades. So that's why I think a computer model is more important, because someone could be a terrible trader but have a great computer model that they can prove with the backtested results, and you know that the system worked for the past 100 years. It should probably work for the next 100 years. Backtesting isn't everything, but it's much better evidence, and this is what the professional traders do. This is what the professional traders do, is they get computer models backtested, and most of y'all are too lazy to do that. Sorry, I shouldn't call you lazy. Most of you don't have the resources to do it. It's not a laziness thing, it's an accessibility thing, and also not even knowing that it's a prerequisite to managing large capital. It's something that you need to know. Now, if you're learning discretionary trading, and if someone doesn't have a computer model, but they can show you an equity curve, I believe that is an okay substitute. I'm personally not as much of a fan of that, because if someone is a great trader but they're trading with discretion, it's going to be very hard for you to follow their results. But yeah, I mean, ICT has no track record. ICT's track record is blowing up in the Robbins Cup. We don't know if he's profitable. And he's got no computer model, no back-tested computer model. So, I mean, I could beat this horse to death, but what I'm trying to say is it should be a standard to, when you're signing up for a system, okay, this system had this profit factor and this Sharpe ratio and this Sortino ratio. This system had this win percentage, this profit factor. I'm educated on the pros and cons of each system, and I'm going to choose the one that best suits me. But that's not the world we live in this trading education space where, whether it's QBanks, LXG, we have no fucking idea. We're in the dark, right? I don't know if you make money. I don't know if you've ever made money. I don't know if your system makes money. I'm not calling you a scammer, but we're in the dark. We don't know. And it should be your job to communicate that to us and to prove it, right? So I'm raising the bar because we have that. We have computer back testing. I don't need to show you my equity curve because I'm not selling you on my discretionary trading. I'm selling you in a system. I can show you the 100-year back test on gold, the 100-year back test on NASDAQ, the 10-year back test on Bitcoin and ETH, and show you that these are the exact same parameters, same indicator for all these. So we're looking at 160 years across 3 asset classes. It's robust. Is it the best trading system out there? It's pretty good. I don't know because I have no idea what these other trading systems return because they're either not computer back tested or they're not transparent. And I think part of it is it's actually quite difficult to develop strategies that have edge and strategies are profitable, and people are just selling you on things that aren't necessarily actually profitable. Is it a scam? I don't know. That's the point. But I want to know. And I know that if I have the computer model, now I know something. Now you know something. Okay? So I recommend, as always, only go with, if you're gonna spend money and sign up for a system, only something that's been computer back tested and can show you that. And we have that, and you can click the link below to check it out. But I don't want it to just be me. I'm gonna call out everybody else in this space and say, what's your results? What's your computer results? What's the 100-year back test? Show me. You can't show me, I'm not signing up, right? Demand. Go and ask. Go in the tweets. Go in the Gmail. What's the back test? Show me the back test. Show me the back test. Show me your equity curve. I want to know, right? So what do you think? Agree, disagree? Comment down below. I think it's important. I think it matters. Much love. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.